This video covers setting up a new cruise in OpenVDM. To set up a new cruise, go to the main subsection under the configuration section. Because this is an administrative function, the user is required to log in. Click the blue Set Up New Cruise button under Cruise Control. Set the unique cruise ID for the cruise. OpenVDM will warn the user if a cruise already exists with the specified ID. Next, specify the start date and time for the cruise. Specifying an end date and time is optional. Next, enable the transfers for the collection systems that will be used during this cruise. The other options available are Show Lowering Components, which is related to if the cruise has a ROV or if OpenVDM is for an ROV system, and Ship-to-Shore Transfers, if the cruise will be uploading data to a shore-based server. When the form is completed, click the blue Create button. A message shows that the cruise creation was successful. OpenVDM now shows the enabled collection system transfers, the updated cruise ID, and cruise size. Going to the Links section and clicking Cruise Data shows a directory listing of the current cruise directory structure. The final step is to enable OpenVDM's automatic cruise data transfers. To do that, click the red System Status button. Clicking the button will change it from a red button that says Off to a green button that says On. When the system status is on, the OpenVDM scheduler will run the collection system transfers every 5 minutes. When a transfer is active, the system status for the transfer changes to green. For extremely small transfers, this might not be apparent. In the Home section, the recently transferred files are shown in the Recent Shipboard Data Transfers panel. Rather than wait for the scheduler to run the collection system transfers, by going to the Configuration Collection System Transfers section, a user can manually run an individual cruise data transfer. Here the transfer ran too fast to register on the progress bar, but you can see the cruise size update to reflect the added files. The new files also appear on the recent shipboard data transfers. We can confirm the transfer by looking at the cruise data directory. For more information on OpenVDM, please check out the links in the description.